Hi guys, I'm going to give you 3 tips on what you can do to build willpower. You're accustomed to eating in a certain way. Depending on where you are in the world, there are certain things you're accustomed to. It's really hard to break a habit. To break a habit, you have to build a new habit, and you can try that. So I'm going to give you 3 things that you can do that's going to help you kind of ease into your new journey. The first thing that you can do if you're going to change your diet is sort of change the pattern. And that's really important because that's what you're getting ready to do for a long-term event. If you try it first and see how that works for a month and then give yourself a break and then do it again, that can help you in terms of really sort of synthesizing the lifestyle. Second thing that you can do, work with the way that you eat. So what do I mean by that? Decide that all your breakfasts for 1 week are going to be smoothies or protein shakes. These kinds of things help you to get into a habit of keeping or sticking to a routine. And because inevitably what's going to happen in that week that you've decided you're going to just have smoothies for breakfast, you're going to want what you've always had. And so the way that you can actually fix that is by doing this for a week and seeing how you're able to, keep up with that. And if you're not, that's fine, that's cool. You're only doing it for a week. And you can even chart, the places where you kind of fell off the wagon, and that's okay to know your triggers, because if you do, and if you can write them down, you can know how to avoid them. And that's actually why I suggest that you write them down, because then you actually know what works on you. So one of the great things that you can do when you find out what your triggers are, the things that make you eat the stuff you don't want, is that you can learn how to avoid them. So those are just my 3 tips, and maybe you can use them. You can actually use this not just for food. You can use it for other things that you're trying to do when you're trying to build a new healthy habit, whether it's a healthy personal habit when it comes to your health, your mental health, your emotional health, the ways that you live your life. You can do it. Bye.